All right, so we're looking at the Fine mixer here. This is a really, really cool product if you want to plug in your microphone and use it as an interface. Plus, you get a bunch of cool effects and cool features that we're going to be looking at. So first off, this is a really nice product. You have 4 faders on here, a bunch of buttons. On the back, you have your XLR input, which we are actually using the Fine AM8 to record this. Just plugs in with XLR, which is great. You also have back here a line out if you want to go to like speakers. You have your headphone out to listen and monitor. You have a line in, so if you want to plug anything else in like sound effects or anything like that, you can plug it in there, maybe your computer. You have a headset you could plug in, so you can have a microphone and headset combination. And you also have you can set it for dynamic or condenser, and we have it set for dynamic at the moment here. So really cool. One of the things I love most about this is the colors. So you have all these cool colors that are on there, and you can even change the different colors, and you can cycle through different ones. I think there's the one that changes colors once you get to it right about there. So that is pretty cool. And just setting this up, we'll go down like that. Let's go down to the bottom here. All right. So you have your 48 volts if you need phantom power. You have your microphone fader volume here. You also have your line in volume there, your headphone volume there, and your line out volume right there. What's cool is it shows you like what level it is as well, and also has your audio metering up at the top. Over on the sides, you have some cool features here. You have auto tune. So if you're going to be singing and you want to have like that auto tune effect, just for that, better singing voice, you can set it. There's all the different keys. You have A all the way up to E flat. So everything in between, and you could set it there. That way, so right now this is D flat. So you can hear I'm kind of not on pitch, but it's going to keep it as good as I could get. Just like that. So you can set that there, hold it down to get rid of that. And on the other side, you have a vocal changer here. So we can go like a male voice.
And so if you wanted to disguise your voice a little bit, that's going to be a good way to do that. Mainly, I think this is, good if you want to sound a little bit more anonymous. There's
female as well. Female, it's more of a disguiser for a female voice, but this is what it sounds like. You have
robot. So you want to do a cool voice of a robot or a monster? I got this. Yeah.
our baby.
And there's elder, which sounds very soothing. Sounds like I'm doing some sort of audio reading or something, a book reading. It sounds really cool.
So we can turn that off. And then you have 4 custom buttons over here. And what that is you can hold it down and it will start recording, and then you can use it to play it back. So if you did have something plugged into the line in and you wanted to do a sound effect, you could do it that way. Or you could do, if there's like a thing that you always say, or like an ad read that you're doing that's like, by the way, thank you so much for listening. And if you want to be a full-time blah, 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 you can just blah, blah, blah. And then so it records it there, and then you can just hit it to recall it. By the way, thank you so much for listening. And if you want to be a full-time blah, 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 you can just blah, blah, blah. So it's simple like that. You have 4 of those buttons that you can use. And you also have mute buttons down at the bottom. It's a very simple and effective little machine. I love it. It's great. It works really well. It's easy. It's plug and play. No need for any additional software. So I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.